Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Chogyal and I'm from Bhutan. Today let's learn how to watch YouTube videos in black background. This is important, especially when the white background color causes your eyes irritation. So let's get started now. Open up your browser and type youtube.com. After that, sign into your YouTube account. Click here on your little profile icon and just come down to dark theme. You will notice here your dark theme is off by default. So click on the dark theme and put it on.
What's up?
This is how you can watch your YouTube videos in black background. If you want to turn back to white background color, you can simply turn off your dark theme. You can also turn on dark theme without signing into your YouTube account. Just click on these three dots and come down to turn the dark theme on. This is how you can watch your YouTube videos in black background without signing into your YouTube account. To turn off the black background, simply click again on these three dots and put the dark theme off. That's it guys. Thank you so much and bye bye until next time.